Good evening, friends. Today we are discussing on the topic of Geo Heritage Site. Pandavalagutta in Telangana recently first site was declared by Geological Survey of India as Geo Heritage Site. What is this Geological Survey of India and where its headquarters was located and which year it was established and what are the functions of this Geological Survey of India and how many geological heritage sites in India, if what is the benefit of this identification of heritage site, and in AP how many heritage sites are there, how to find out that heritage site, and finally we will see the conclusion. All these points today we will discuss. First, in Telangana recently the Geological Survey of India declared Pandavalagutta as an geoheritage site. Earlier it is in Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka one place is there. It is the identification of ancient Indian civilization. Now the same thing we are seeing here, where in Telangana Pandavalagutta, which is located in Jaisankara Bhupalli district, Regonda Mandal, and near the Raulpalle village. It is mainly special for rock art. Not only it is a rock art, lengthiest caves are also available. It is oldest compared to the Himalayas, which was told by the archaeological experts. And in addition to that, the archaeologist experts saying that Telangana only one heritage site. It is the first heritage site also there. And this Pandavalagutta is famous for Panchapandavalagutta and Kunti Devi Gutta, and some of the paintings which are on the rocks it is available, and marriage pictures, rituals, god photos like Ganapati on the rocks. All are looks are like geometrical style. Coming to the Geological Survey of India, which is located headquarter in Calcutta, which was established in the year 1851. What is the functions of this Geological Survey of India? Those functions are to conduct geological, geophysical, geochemical surveys and studies to access the geology, mineral resources and natural assets of India. And coming to the geoheritage site, what is geoheritage site? The geological feature which are inherently or culturally significant, offering insight to Earth's evolution or history to the Earth science, or that can be utilized for education also, which now the present students may aware of that. Coming to the geological heritage sites in India, how many sites are there? Total 34. In AP it is 4. More geological heritage sites are located in Rajasthan only, here 10. Recently, along with the Pandavalagutta Telangana heritage site, Ramgarh crater also declared as an heritage site. This Ramgarh crater is famous for Ramgarh structure, Ramgarh dome. Here Ramgarh Tiger Reserve is also there. We can see that it is famous for Ramgarh Tiger Reserve. The crater means looks like hollow bowl basin. This crater means looks like hollow bowl basin. Coming to the geological heritage site, what is the benefit of this identification? We know the ancient Indians, how they are living and survived themselves, their life history, their life story, which will give the awareness to the present students. It mainly studies the history, ancient history. The first site which was declared as an geological heritage site, that is in Meghalaya, Monumul. It is mainly notified for mines. This is the first site, Monumul. And finally we will see the conclusion. Conclusion means if any heritage site is declared by the Geological Survey of India, it should promote the state governments and forest departments, as well as give the awareness to all the public whose they are located in their respective states. This is the story behind the Telangana's Pandavulgutta Geoheritage Site. Thank you.